I started out in a really good mood, but that ended quick because this truck is disgusting. Nothing will come loose, everything's just snapping.
Kind of like that attitude.
Yeah, literally. I don't know how people just don't take care of their stuff. We're not even 2 bolts in and we already ran into an issue. Seat floor bolts are rounded off. Blake's already not happy. This is crazy. Is that just dirt or what is it? Mm-hmm. People are sick. I started out in a really good mood, but that ended quick because this truck is disgusting. Nothing will come loose, everything's just snapping.
Kind of like that attitude.
Yeah, literally. So this has a drop axle on it, and we are going to be moving this contraption up to the actual switches and gauges on the dash. This huge thing that they had on the floor for no reason, because there's literally a gauge and switches for this. So we are going to take this apart and label everything and run those air lines under the cab up through there to the dash. All right, here goes. I got it vacuumed out so all that nastiness didn't end up on the shop floor. Blake's pulling the rubber out. Ugh. God, it's so good.
You know, we got to get a video of old Stinky over here.
This is so gross.
It's pretty nasty. Honestly, I thought it was going to be dirtier under that.
Underneath, yeah. Remember how nasty Sam's truck was?
Yeah.
We got the floor out, and we also got that switch wired, this one, for the drop axle. We had to trace it and it took forever, but we finally got it. But right now we're going to be taking the rest of the dash out because we're going to be painting all these pieces. Because something about the year of these trucks, they just like chipped. I don't know if they got a bad batch of paint or what, but we're taking all this out now. We got all that out. Look how dirty all this was. So we're gonna clean that up, scotch pad it, and reshoot it. Hey.
We're in here just taking care of business.
I'm almost done.
We got the switches all done.
Yeah.
Airlines ran. We got the new adjuster there.
Yeah, I'm almost
now
done
we're gonna
cleaning.
take all this back out too.
Yeah, it's
all
gross.
This and all that carpet because it's nasty. Lola's gonna take care of that for us.
Yeah, she's got it handled.
We're actually gonna replace this brake valve in the floor too because it's like stepping on a rock to get this truck to stop. So as you can tell, the AC is not working in there. She's real sweaty.
Sorry, Nona.
We want new door panels, but don't really know what kind.
I tried to order him some like new interior for his birthday, but the company I was talking to, they don't do this.
So probably go ahead and take the stacks off today too, because it doesn't look like it's going to leave the shop until it's done.
Yeah.
That or pull the fuel tank on it, one of the two.
Something, I need something.
Hell, might pull the motor board out, put some bigger pistons, big cam, who knows.
This is crazy.
And then there's this whole project. If anybody's interested in a 2001 379, we're gonna let it go, I believe. So hit us up if you're interested. It's gonna be on Marketplace pretty soon.
He's so cool in it.
All right, well, you know, since we don't have a videographer, we only get short little clips when we can, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back to it. I was sitting on my ass drinking tea, so I need to get back over there.
Hey, we are back in the shop, and I never tell Blake when I'm about to record, so it always scares him. We're back in the shop, and we took a few days because we needed some things and we didn't want to half-ass it. We went and got the brake valve for another pedal because it just doesn't feel right, and we wanted to get that fixed before we put the floor in. And then Blake didn't like the color that we got for the dash, so we went to this other place and we got some different colors, and I think it's gonna turn out a lot better. We're getting these pieces cleaned up a little better. You can see how, I don't know, something about like the early 2000s trucks, some of the pieces just peel. I don't know why. But then we also got some new carpet for this back wall right here because the guy smoked in here and it's disgusting. And I'm not wasting my time shampooing it. We're just gonna take this piece out, clean it really good, Scotch-Brite it down, and we may spray that too, I'm not sure, depending on how clean it comes. And then we'll put this new piece of carpet in, and we went with like a hint darker gray, and it's gonna be really pretty.
We're getting all these pieces ready. What do you think about it?
It looks good. I fought that piece of carpet for like an hour and it put me in a bad mood. It was really like 10 minutes. But it put me in a bad mood, and Blake got all this done, so.
Now we're gonna shoot this
Yeah.
with a little vinyl and plastic dye paint.
Do you want to pop this off and I can take this?
I don't think the rubber's gonna pop off easy without breaking, so we might just tape
I'll
it.
tape it, yeah, so it looks better.
So we're probably gonna paint that piece too, and
I'm so
we're gonna
excited.
get all these pieces done.
This like wasn't the plan at all, but I'm excited because it's gonna look so much better.
This was the worst one, and the actual dash, but we'll get these pieces shot, and then we're gonna come in here and just tape this stuff off and paint that little bottom piece since it's all chipped and nasty. But coming together.
We got everything prepped in here for the lower half to be sprayed. All these are prepped. We got that back piece prepped. Lola's, she's hot and tired. Blake's shaking up our paint. We need to order another piece of this cardboard backing. Don't want to put that back in there. Any word?
All right.
Yeah. Blake got the first coat. Looking good. They're still a little see-through. It looks so much better already. He's in the cab right now, doing the lower dash. Yes, look at that butt. Woo. All right, so Blake almost had a fit, but he did really good. This color was what he started with, and he didn't like it because it's really ugly. So now we're going with this color. It looks a lot better. And then this darker color, you can see the difference. Looks way better. And like the dash is this still the old light, the bottom half, and it looks terrible. But we fixed it before he freaked out. Not a lot of it.
That's so nasty.
I know. Ew,
We're gonna have to get some more.
Falling in the hole.
Not in the hole.
Do you think
Look
that's
at that.
all nicotine stuff?
That's what's in your lungs, people, when you smoke.
So gross.
We're gonna need a gallon of acetone.
Yeah. Hold on, watch this. We had already scrubbed that right there.
Look at that. God, that's disgusting.
I think that's where a lot of the smell is coming from in there. Gross. Blake was actually able to get the pedals out and put the brake valve in because the brakes weren't working that great. So now we're gonna go ahead and start putting the top of the dash back together, get it turned on and make sure we don't have any air leaks. And then finally, we'll start working on the whole point of this project. How it started was the floor. So from wanting to change the floor out, we have a new brake valve, a new dash. All this is gonna be freshly painted and cleaned. I got the seat belts cleaned. We have new seats. And then we also got a new AC control because it looked horrible. And I'm actually online right now looking for chrome gauge and switch covers. So it's gonna be like a whole new truck on the inside. We just got this installed again. We got this new, I guess I need to either get covers for that or a new one. That looks terrible. But it's coming along. Hi, we're back in the shop and it is finally time to actually start on the wood floor. The whole reason that we started tearing the interior out. We've gotten all the new pieces painted. I got new carpet cut out. I'm about to glue it to our backer board for the back wall because, oh my gosh, that was disgusting. I'll show you guys in a minute. Blake has taken little seatbelt bracket holder things out of the floor so that we can start putting the little like foam stuff in and then start cutting the wood floor for it. Yeah, super exciting. All the pieces are starting to go back in and that is like the best part, the most satisfying part. So this is the old carpet that was on the back wall. You can see just how nasty it was. And look at the back, I guess. I don't really know why, but it was like full of water. We looked for leaks and stuff and like holes. We couldn't find any, so maybe they left the windows open. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think that was a huge part of why the inside of that truck smells so bad. Laid some paper down because here's our backer board, our new piece for the back wall. Here's our new carpet. So much cleaner, so much nicer. I am about to spray the glue, let it sit for a little bit, and then stick that carpet to the backer board and wrap it, and then we are going to be screwing it into the back wall. I don't know if my nail is going to get in the way, but I can't spray paint when my nails are long because it blocks the stuff. God, what's he doing?
He might have fallen down.
Okay, let's see. Oh my God.
Get a little closer.
My nail is blocking it. There we go.
Sorry, I was videoing the ground.
Yeah, you might have to do it because see, my nail is blocking it. It's not
Okay.
getting a good spray
I'll spray it real
pattern.
quick.
Okay, thanks. All right, Blake to the rescue. Yeah, that's a much better spray pattern. So I said we just do that, let it sit for 2 minutes and put it on both sides and then stick it on. But with it being so hot outside, should I just, once you're done spraying it, just stick it?
You can, it's not gonna hurt anything.
Okay. Got it going on the carpet now, and then I might need help like laying it on there. Or I guess I could probably do it. I don't know.
I'll help you.
Okay, thanks. Should we like roll it or probably more than that? Or do you want it even on one end?
I got it like a half inch.
Okay. Get your steel or whatever, and we'll just pull it tight and I'll lay it down. You got enough hanging?
Yeah, I don't want to go straight that way though. Just that way. You can always pick it back up.
Yeah, flip it over, and we can see the board.
I mean, honestly, it feels pretty good. How much you got here? Watch the glue though.
Looks pretty solid.
Yeah.
Go see what they're banging on.
You love it?
So they're trying to get those out of the floor.
Look, greatest white boy alive right there.
Right there.
What's it say? White boy of the year.
Look at them socks. Boy, y'all don't even know.
The tops drop, but the socks stay tall, baby.
Hell yeah. I took the dogs in to cool off. We got some guests. Yeah, not me. I stay hot.
All right, so this video is because she wanted me to talk to her.
Yeah.
We still got Slim Shady in here.
It's finally time, guys. Look,
We're gonna
we got the foam.
put some foam on.
What do you think, Carter?
I got nothing.
I got nothing.
All right, we're
Look
about
at
to.
this piece though. We got a new piece. It's all corroded and falling through. Thanks to Fro's fabulous shop. We got that. Blake got them seatbelt things out 3 hours later.
Well, I took my time.
And I have a stomach ache because I drank a 5-hour energy and I
Well,
don't eat anymore.
I got a hemorrhoid, but it's all right.
From doing that?
Yeah. All right, I gotta set the
If
phone
any
down.
of
I'm getting a
y'all
little
have-
shaky.
Hey, if any of y'all have these door panels
I'm getting kind of shaky.
that are in good shape, holla. All right, let's do this. Why are you always videoing? Let's get something done for once.
Oh, here we go.
Getting the floor laid out. It's so pretty. It matches the dash really good. So what we're doing, we're laying it out and then we're being smart about it. We're gonna lay this over the top of it and trace it out and tape the edges and then just jigsaw the floor and then just put it in piece by piece.